Looking for an easier way to map all your franchise outlets on one interactive map? Instead of managing multiple spreadsheets or searching through long lists of locations, you can visualize every franchise branch, organize important business information, and securely share your map with your team. In this video, I'll show you how to build a franchise outlet map using MAPOG. Go to story.mapog.com. Click Create and Publish Map and select Open Workspace. Then click Create New Map. Choose with Template and select the Store Mapper template specifically designed for store or franchise maps. Then enter map title and description. Click Create Map to save the map. Now, go to Map Settings and upload your company logo to personalize the map. Now click Add Location and select Upload CSV. Before uploading your data, click the Select Business Location Template Settings icon and choose New Type. Give your location type a name, select a marker color, and choose Point as the geometry type. Next, create your custom attributes based on your franchise data. For this example, we'll add fields with appropriate field type. For example, gym ID, location name, and title should be text fields. Gym type, status, membership plan, and parking available should be drop-down fields. Personal trainers should be a number field. Contact number should use the phone field type. Official website should be a website field, and opening date should use the date field type, and many more. Once all the attributes have been created, save the template by clicking Create Type and return to the upload page. Select the template you just created, then upload your prepared CSV or Excel file. Before importing, make sure the unique ID field is mapped correctly. Then match each CSV column with its corresponding attribute. For location mapping, select latitude and longitude and map the latitude and longitude columns from your dataset. Click Submit, and all your franchise locations will appear on the map. To improve the map's appearance, open Add Layer Style. Here you can customize marker colors, change icons, display labels, or adjust other styling options to match your brand. Let's choose Category for styling to view different outlets in different colors. If you ever need to update a location, simply click the pencil icon, select Edit Business Location Details, upload images, or modify the required information without uploading the dataset again. Go to Label Features to add any attribute as a label in the map. Customize its width, color, or font. Also, you have options like Sort by Location. View any gym using Sort by Location. Filter gym using different fields like gym ID, location name, and many more. Use the Display Properties option to control which fields will be visible to the users. Once your map is ready, click Preview and Share. Public maps are ideal for customer-facing store locators and can be shared using a link or embedded on a website. For internal collaboration, choose Private to securely share the map with authorized team members. Go to Access tab and click Add User. Select existing members or invite new ones using their email address. Assign the appropriate roles like contributor or viewer based on each person's responsibilities, then click Invite. Your team can now securely collaborate on the same franchise map with the appropriate level of access. That's how you can create a professional interactive franchise outlet map using MAPOG to manage multiple locations from a single dashboard. For more helpful tutorials on interactive mapping, be sure to visit our channel and explore our latest videos. If you need any help with uploading data, creating map stories, performing map analysis, or GIS and mapping consultancy, feel free to contact us anytime at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.